part of what got me interested in chemistry was that sort of feeling of practical magic of you get a chemistry set and you could make things change color or slime or different things. And I think especially at this age, that's what's going to attract them.
We did it last year at Walnut Springs. It is a free program, which is really the cool thing about it. It's with Texas A&M.
So we do about 80 to 85 road shows a year, about 20,000 people a year see the show.
They only go to a certain amount of schools, and so we were lucky enough, our PTA kind of helped us and jumped in, and we were able to get them to come out. So it's a great show for the kids.
No one teaching tool will solve everything. So, it would be great if the kids could get to do more hands-on stuff and over a longer period of time, but that's not what the road show is. It's more sort of motivational and inspirational, going, hey, look, isn't this interesting? To leave them with some questions that they would like to investigate themselves and answer and explore and get them excited about it. Hopefully to give the teachers some things to look back on, so when they cover it later on in the year, they can say, hey, remember when you saw this? They get a chance to actually see it. They're not just doing chemistry on paper. They're actually getting to see what it looks like. So later on, when they're talking about kinetics or thermodynamics or physical changes of states of matter, they have something that they've actually seen that they can relate it to.
It is tied to our TEKS. They may not be TEKS that they're studying right now, but they are tied into the TEKS that they study throughout the year. So it's really just a fun way for them to kind of get into science and see how exciting it is.
My favorite part was probably when they exploded the balloons.
There's a lot of hard work in science, and if you just give them the hard work and none of the, well, why is this interesting, why would anyone want to study that? But if you understand the interesting things that all the theories mean or relate to, then you're willing to put in the hard work to understand it if you see why it's interesting.